Alright, so we are prepared. I'm going to show you something very nice. Just wait for our applications to fully load. When routine was hard, when ambitions are low, and resentment rise high, but emotions won't grow. Changing the ways, taking different roads. Lose again. Again. Alright, so what I want to show you guys is, hopefully this is okay now. Alright. Okay, let's see if this is working. Alright. Some of low. Oh, it's not working again. Let's see for and it's not working also here. Oh, there you go. Sum of countif loads status is delivered. See, so nice. It has IntelliSense and it can provide formula. So cool, right? So I will be posting this to our boss, and hopefully my boss will give me a tap in the back. Because I'm the best. Alright, so that's it. Thanks. Bye-bye.